Hello guys, this is CS Anamika Shukla and welcome back to my channel. And this video is about attempting of case studies. Basically this video is for CS executive students for company law, jurisprudence and SBAC. So attempt of case studies requires a clear approach. Here is the simple and effective guide I present before you today. So first of all, we need to understand the legal provision first before solving the case studies. Thoroughly understand the law, including the definitions, sections and exceptions. And the second most important things, to use ICSI module. Always refer ICSI module for the legal language and always cross check it with the BEAR Act if needed. Now the second point is breaking down the case study. So what is about breaking down the case study? Let me tell you. So first we need to highlight the key factors like names, actions, dates and announcement. You have to know what are the actual dates, what are the actions taken that time, what is the amount involved and what are the parties, what are the names of the parties involved in that case. Second one is identifying the issue. So what is identifying the issue? Identifying the issue means what is the legal problem, what is the legal provision treated here. And the next one is to link the issue with the actual section or actual or correct provision. And this is about breaking down the study. The first we have learned understanding the legal provision, second is breaking down the case study, and the third one is to structure your answer, like how you write your answer. So I want to say use IRAC strategy. IRAC strategy is I means issue, R means rule, and A means application, and C is for conclusion. So issue is what is the legal dispute treated that time. Rule is what sections or provision applied here. Application is to apply the rule to the facts, and the next one is to state the final judgment or legal judgment that was passed that time. And now come to the fourth point. So fourth point is to act like a professional, write like a professional, use professional language, select the proper cases, proper provisions, proper sections. Like whenever you write, whenever you going to start the case study, you have to start like as per the provisions of this act, under this section, under subsection, like that. Avoid emotional and personal opinions, and use cut language, but it should be proper and clear. Now fifth point is about practicing daily. So solve 2 or 3 case studies in each subject daily, and more focus on company law, jurisprudence and SBEC, and refer the past cases and past judgments to cross verify yourself. And the sixth one is to revise landmark cases, like create a register, create a case law register, note the case's name, legal judgments and the conclusion, and repeat it before your exams. Now the last one is to take mock test practices and solve ICSI question papers. After the each test, review your marks. So this is all about attempting of case laws. I will come with my next video. I hope this video will help a lot to you, and whatever I said in this video is also you can get the text form in the description of the video. Until then, take care and bye bye.